Right, Hot Wheels track fleet. Got two vehicles here to take a look at, and I'm pretty excited because they look pretty cool. So, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another video. Let's get into it. So yeah, Hot Wheels track fleet, this is making a lot of noise, this set of Hot Wheels trucks with trailers that are able to go on your standard Hot Wheels track, which is pretty cool. Although, I will admit, a lot of the cars or trucks in this series tend to be a bit eh. If you're into your fantasy stuff, it's great, but personally, most of these aren't for me. But there's usually one that stands out from each set, and yeah, so this set, it appears to be this Scania truck here, because, well, it's a Scania, and it does something that looks pretty cool. Has an actual moving feature. And then this one here, we have actually a couple. If you're into the Transformers, you get the Ultra Magnus, which is quite cool. We've got a train style one, which is pretty cool if you're into that. And then we have here the Porsche 911 Off-Roader. So a cool little off-road car with a trailer. And that is just something that's so cool. I've been keeping my eye out for this for a long time, and randomly, Asda, the shop that stocks once every year, come out of the blue with this as well as some premiums. So that's pretty cool. I think we've done a video of it. We've done a video on these before, actually, where the standout one from the original set was this: the Volvo Drift Volvo towing a caravan. It's just awesome. I love it to bits. It seems quite basic, but you know, and this is all just plastic, but I really like this. It's pretty cool, you know. But anyway, I've already done a video on that one. If you want to go check it out, I'll leave a link in the description or something. But for today, we have these two, and we're going to open them up and see what they look like. This one's actually pretty cracked anyway, so I picked this one up, this Scania here, up from Sainsbury's. It was... Oh dear. It was actually marked as £10, and then when I got to the checkout, it came up as £7.50, so I was like, well, don't mind if I do. But I went back in a bit later, and they'd actually they'd put them all down to £7.50, so I assume they just hadn't put the price up on the thing yet. But yeah, this is the moving part. Okay, it does fit. That is tight fit. That is a tight fit. Wow. I mean, I guess it's good. It doesn't come out, but cool. That is certainly a tight fit. Is it just meant to do that then? No, because it says on the back of the pack. It says there it goes in and out. Huh. Well, maybe this one just needs a little bit of wearing in. Just trying to make me look weak or something. Yeah, this is actually a really cool thing. I like this. The Scanias are pretty cool anyway, but the detail, I know this is realistically a £10 thing, so there should be some good detail, but all the lights are done in. Top, little bar at the middle there. The main light's got a bumper bar detailed there. Some pretty cool off-road big lorry wheels on this. Hot Wheels Racing with a wolf on the side. Got some striping. And this cool like tiger style livery with loads and loads of branding on there, which is really cool. It's a cool looking thing actually. And of course you get the moving feature. Oh, stiff, albeit stiff moving feature that can also has wheels on the end to roll about, so you can, well, not very easily, but you can load up your car and then the car doesn't fit. I don't think it was been designed to haul a car. Probably because it's meant to fit on a standard track. It's, I guess, maybe to do that with it. I mean, in all fairness, it doesn't say a single thing about hauling a car, but it has got these like wheel holders there, which make it look like it should be able to. So I'm not sure if there's something specific it's meant to take. Yeah, I don't actually know. That's great. I've gone straight into the video and have no idea.
Upon further inspection of the other track fleets, I don't think they're really designed to take a car in them. So we can disregard a lot of this information.
So if you can find a thin car, you can just about put it in there. Maybe that's not what you meant to do. The thing is, I've not actually bought another one of these track fleets.
Like I said, disregard the information.
It looks like these should hold a car. But do they?
For Christ's sake, get on with it.
Other than that, it's a pretty cool thing in itself. Nice little hauler. Oh, it's so stiff. Why is it so stiff? And you get some cool details in there as well, so it's pretty cool. Now we have the Porsche. This definitely doesn't haul a car. Maybe the trailer ones make more sense for the trailers and the caravans. I don't know. I just missed. Oh dear, I've broken it already. Oh, does it come separate? Oh, that's cool. This one actually hooks in. So when it goes down the track, it will inevitably de-hook. So go around the loop-de-loop and then the trailer will just fall off. Oh, that's quite cool though. It means you can go off and de-hitch and bugger off. Has it got... Oh, I was ashamed they haven't put any like little plastic drop-down gear to make it sit upright like that, but you know, it is what it is. Oh, that's pretty cool actually. Huh. There's the trailer, Hot Wheels logo on the side, got some mud splattered up the side there, and some muddy brown wheels. Do like the flammable sticker next to the petrol canister there. Got a surfboard on top, some spare wheels, and again you could actually get a paintbrush to this and add some extra details if you wanted. Got some luggage on there. Then on this side I've got like a little luggage container, some kind of longboard, or like some kind of wide board thing. Maybe some other sort of surfboard type thing. We don't know. And we've got the German flag colours on there. And then we have the 911. Again, some mud splatters up the side. Muddy wheels. There's the base. No light details on this one, unfortunately. Which is a shame, because the Scania has loads. But I suppose we get all the extra details in the liveries of all the mud splatters. We've got the hood vents. Some luggage on the roof there as well. Yeah, that's really cool. The thing on the back of this, the hook attachment thing, is made out of plastic. It's probably pretty strong, but I don't know how much it would withstand if it was played with on a track. Yeah, hooks in there. This end is actually part of the die-cast base. All the top of it is plastic, as you'd expect. That's pretty neat. Maybe we can double haul this. There we go. The hauler or something. I don't know. Well, that's a combination I've just made. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff from the track fleet. It seems to be that Mattel know just to put like one sought after one, or one cooler version in each set. But I suppose that always means there's one that people will be scalping or seeking out. Most of the cases now scalping, but there we are. It's very cool, and I'm very happy to have the Porsche in my collection. It's going to look so cool next to that Volvo. So yeah, the Volvo didn't actually detach. It's got like a proper connected thing in there. Oh yeah. That looks so cool. And we can have the Scania up the back there. Probably not quite to scale. It's a pretty small looking Scania, all things considered, but this is a pretty cool little... Yeah, I just like these. They're just a cool little thing. Different, they're unique. They're a little bit on the expensive side, but considering there's only one per release that are actually worth collecting, it's not too bad. So yeah, you have to let me know what you think of the track fleet. Do you collect them yourself? Have you got any others, bar the ones that are most sought after? But as always, thanks for watching. I hope you are all doing well. Wish you the best in your peg hunts and all that. And I hope to see you again in the next one.